Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use FreshTeam made from Freshworks. So the first thing you want to do is just simply click here, sign up for free. You want to sign with your Gmail or like business email, company name, etc. And click here, sign up for free. Now just wait for a while until it loads, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can use FreshTeam. So, okay, I'm the founder CEO with 0 to 100 employees, and I want to manage new hires onboarding experience, manage employees time off, or like run the end of the recruitment process. Just really choose which one you want to do. Okay, let's get started. And voila, here we go. So when you're gonna enter the FreshTeam, you would see the dashboard here. When you see the feedback due, upcoming, completed, then you would see your referrals here, celebration corner today, new joinees. On the right side, you would see tasks, candidate summary, and offer to hire highlights. What you can do is go to top right and click add new, and you can add new job posting, employee, task, or refer a candidate. Also, you can go simply to left side and see the dashboard, then inbox, recruitment, we will get to it, employees, and reports. So when you're going to click on the inbox, you would see all the updates that people would like write to you, and they will like write to you that they want to work with you. Then you can simply also the work inbox as interviews, jobs, offers, and have multiple filters here. Then you can go to recruitment and simply click here recruit. And now sample job posting, this is the one we have. But what I can do is to simply go to the right side and add the job posting. And job title, let's say marketing director. Okay, let's go further. Now you just choose simply in the department. Let's zoom in more. Job type, we can go like temporary, seasonal, volunteer, let's say full-time or contract. Now location, branch office, or you can add more branches if you want to, and you can also mark it as a remote job. When you're gonna enter the job description here, I recommend writing a lot and specifics what is the job is really about. So marketing director is going to be about managing the SEO strategies and marketing strategies for the company. Then we would have the skills here. I can go with project management, then I can choose also expense planning and control, team management, experience. I can go with a mid-senior level for marketing director, and then you're gonna have like minimum salary, which is going to be like, let's say 10K, maximum salary 20K, and currency. And you can also allow employees to apply if you want to do the internal growth for people. Then what you have to do is to simply save and continue later, or just publish. And voila, here you have it. So when you would come here to the recruit, you would have the active job. Then you can also click here to candidates, and you would have a candidate. You can click on a candidate and see plenty of stuff as summary, profile, email, comments, interviews, tasks, timeline. On the left side, you can see like all the information, the basic information about the person. So this is how the candidates work. What you can do is to add a new employee here. Then we have talent pool. Again, talent pool really simple to understand. So you have the documents here. You can click on a profile, and you would see some information about the person. And then you have your referrals, and this is something new also. Now, when you would have recruit, you can go to conversations, and you would have conversations here with the people. Then you can click here on tasks, get things done by jotting down to-dos. So create a new task, and this is a new task. This is a task. and you can click save. You can also change the due date and remind before. Click save. What you can do then is to simply click on employees and see and find employee directory. Okay. Now you see the all employees, and I see that this is a field sales. Then I would have also Marcus Stone as a business, Peter Parker from Spider-Man, and I would have like one new hire here. So this is how it works. What you can do is to simply go to top right and click add employee, and first name Marcus employee as the last name, official email, associate roles, employee, and you can add multiple roles here, save and send invite. And this is how you can simply add a new employee. And voila, here you have it, Marcus employee. And then you see all the job here, personal, employment, education, compensation even. And what you can do is go to top right and click edit profile and edit literally everything here. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and like really easy to understand, right? So this is how we do it. And yep, what you can do is to simply go to reports. Also, of course, like when you would be here in employees, you're going to see the employment, education, and you can change everything here. I'm not going to fill literally everything here because I think it's pretty straightforward what you can do with it. My recommendation, this is just a walk through what you will find in FreshTeam. Then you have report system. Report system is pretty easy to understand too. How we can work with it and create reports. And then you have settings, the last thing, when you can change the general settings, productivity, roles and privileges, account. You can integrate it with other apps, etc. So this is pretty much it, how you can use it and what you can work with it. And yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.